Alright, quick pro tip. This little 4mm bolt is stripped out. So how do you get this out? This is one of those button head bolts that are impossible to grab. So one technique I've used is I got a chisel. What you want to do is you want to chisel right into the side of it. Once you got a little groove in there, you got something to bite on. So turn it at about maybe a 45-degree angle. Start chiseling it until you see that bolt start to back out. You might have to do it a few times. But just keep going until you get that bolt out. Now that I got it started to turn, it'll keep going.